Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to a debit card from PayPal. Let's get started. Transferring money from your PayPal balance directly to your debit card is a very quick and easy process. You can do this either on the PayPal website using a web browser or right from the PayPal mobile app, which is what I'll be demonstrating. The key to making this work is to first ensure that your debit card is properly linked to your PayPal account. In some cases, for verification or to ensure the transfer works smoothly, you may also want to link a bank account, but a debit card should be sufficient on its own. First, you need to link your card. Open the PayPal app and go to your wallet. This is usually represented by a wallet icon. Once in your wallet, look for and tap the option that says Link a bank or card, or Add banks and cards. From here, choose to link a debit card. You will then need to input all the details of your card manually. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the security code CVV on the back. Once you've entered this information and confirmed it, your debit card will appear as a linked payment method in your wallet. You can also add a bank account here if you wish, following a similar process. After your debit card is successfully linked, you can initiate the transfer. If you have money in your PayPal balance, go back to the main app screen where your balance is displayed. Tap directly on your PayPal balance amount. This will open up the balance details and present you with the transfer money option. Tap on transfer and you will be able to input the exact amount you want to send to your debit card. Next, you'll choose your transfer speed. PayPal gives you two main choices. You can select an instant transfer to your debit card, which usually completes within minutes, but this option includes a small fee. Alternatively, you can choose the standard 1 to 3 business days transfer, which is completely free. The fee for the instant transfer will be clearly shown before you confirm, so you can decide which option is best for you. Finally, you need to select the destination. From the list of your linked accounts, choose the debit card you just added. Review the transfer amount, the speed, and the destination, then confirm the transfer. The money will be sent from your PayPal balance directly to your debit card account, based on the timeline you selected. It's important to note that this feature depends on your region. In some parts of the world, you are not allowed to hold a balance in your PayPal account, which would make this transfer impossible. But if your region supports a PayPal balance, you will find this transfer option when you tap on your balance amount.